Good. No. Quit
Amber,
stuff.
don't get in it. Please don't, baby. Did you? She's flying. I'm gonna whoop your butt. She was skating. She was like,
Nick.
Y'all can step back, turn the cages toward each other. They'll get in.
Like this.
Yeah.
Grandma, tell her to get out of my face with her booty.
I'm doing this. Hey, ever gonna show grandma the day?
No. Emma, Emma.
Stop eating my dust. Get in the cage, Ambo.
Can I do my
Yeah.
bird
Get in the
first?
cage, Ambo.
You doing it?
Can I do my bird first?
Good birdie. Get in the cage, Ambo. Good birdie. Okay, get in the cage.
Quit eating your toes.
You're like, no, I want to join.
Good. Go in the cage.
Oh.
She trying to figure out what cage is gonna win. Amber, tap this one. Amber.
Stay calm.
Amber, like, ooh, that looks fun.
Every time one start
That's
flying,
a
all
lot,
of them.
Nick.
No, I just said that Amber said that looked fun.
Dang, ever go hiking with them? But the other bird already hiking.
Now that bird trying to come over here. Anybody else gonna kill it?
We'll just stop for feeling it. No, I don't think so. Yeah.
They look at that, they still in there.
No.
And it's staying there.
Busted night. Can't you see your man? I talk it.
Y'all looking at yourself in the mirror. Y'all are some vain birds. That's pitiful.
That's my part.
I know. Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Who is that up there? Amber?
No, that is.
That was you looking in the mirror. I see you.
Oh yeah, that is Amber looking in the mirror.
What mirror?
She's like, ooh, I look good.
Oh my goodness. She's kissing herself.
She's like, ooh, I want to try.
Oh,
Get off my baby, you ugly little green thing.
My butt is on your face. But they don't want to look in the mirror and kiss themselves.
One except for that one. Y'all be quiet, Kyla's trying to go to sleep. Shut up.
I got some wide hips.
Grandma Kyla, they will be quiet. Kyla's trying to go to sleep. Oh, baby. She's trying to go to sleep and they keep talking.
Oh,
On my lap.
they scratched some paint off the wall.
Here, get on my lap, babe. Here, come on. Here, come on, babe.
Amber on the cage now.
You want me to take your earring out?
Yeah, them things keep getting caught on
Here,
stuff.
come here, let me take it out. Can I get my bird? Grandma. Think how you got it out. Grandma. Where to put her earrings now?
To do what with it?
Me. Kyla, they hurt you. Okay, now lay down on me. You're like, oh, Amber going.
Oh, they over there with Big Boy.
Wait, who?
Move. I really want to get the birds. I'm trying not to get you all in the video. You don't mind.
Yeah.
Kyla, come here.
Let Grandma see y'all. Yeah. Good.
Let Frankie. Here, come here, lay down on
I'm
my
just
lap,
watching.
baby. Stay up.
Come here, Amber. Hey, Meek,
Move, Nick, back. And what is that on the floor? Move it out the shot of the camera. That dial. You need to get back. I don't want to get you all. I'm trying to take the birds. I don't want you all in it.
Oh, Barbie, you want your Barbie or you got a boo-boo? No. You got a boo-boo?
Y'all need to get back on the rug, please.
Kyla, move.
Move her.
Never get her. Watch out.
Right here.
Come on, baby. No. What's wrong? No,
Shh. Where her bottle went?
Nope. No. No. Where my shoes again is y'all know what's happening.
I gotta get her bottle. I'm not getting it. You gotta tell Amber or Rihanna or nothing.
No.
Shh. Tell her shh. Nothing.
Amber, what are you doing?
Move your hair, Angel.
You want me to get it off?
You say you got it down.
No, Amber, don't get it off.
Amber, move.
What Amber? You.
I'm not in the way. She is.
Come here, Nate. Nate, come here. Give me a stick. Come here.
She trusts me now.
No.
Don't eat the stick. Silly.
You still hungry? No, you gotta go upstairs. No. Yes. No.
Watch out. Watch out.
Put mine in my hand.
All right.
Amber, where is your bird?
Right there.
Where? Oh, I see it. My bird like me.
I hope you do it in your head. It had a little milk in it and I put water in it. Ow! Sorry. It's milk. It ain't milk. That ain't milk, Kyla. That's water. It had a little tiny milk in it. That's water, Kyla.
Amber, go get your bird so I can finish the tape. I think I got 2 minutes. Deanna, you think you can get your bird?
Come here, sweetie.
Where is he?
On top of the windowsill.
What?
Up
With the
there.
other bird. With Grandma bird.
Oh.
You need to pray for your bird to
I
have a
hope he be
brain.
down. Yeah, his name gonna be Dodo Brown. Get the fish in there. Get the fish in there and let him come down.
The fish net's right there. Wait, it's okay. Just sit here.
Where is it? Oh.
Can I pet you?
Can I get him with the fish net?
That'd be wrong. There you go, baby.
I can get
Put your
him.
bird on Nick's shoulder.
Hey. Okay. Hey, yo, leave my bird alone.
I'm trying to do it.
No.
Can I get him down?
Come here. I want to get to know you.
Let me see that stick.
No, you can't get him down
There you
first.
go.
You gotta get him down from there.
Hey, you two, come here.
Come
You
down.
guys can't stay up there for the rest of your lives. Stop.
Oh, he just doing something to his tail.
He is.
The other one just saying. I can get Amber Bird. Hers is more than that.
Okay.
She's like, no.
you're in the way of the camera, stand to the side, please.
Who is it?
An unknown name. Can
Hurry, before they hang up on you.
I? Hello? Hello?
Move, Nick, step back. Move, Yana, come back over here.
I'll try to get it down.
No.
No, I'll try to pick one up with my stick when they come down.
Let's go.
Yeah, grab them.
I want you to get back. That's why I said get back. Gotta get some more plastic. Let's go. Come on.
He
Let's
down.
go.
He down.
Nope.
They tricked you. They went right back up there.
Don't make me have to net you.
Grab it's the other way.
Hey!
One just fell. One just fell. He did. I mean,
He did.
he was playing. Oh, right
He right there in between the glass.
I see him.
So where the other one at?
Right here.
Oh.
now. He playing. He was playing dead.
Where you go?
He was
See
playing.
him?
I see him.
Where? Amber got him on camera.
Get out that cold door.
Come on, I can't.
Put your behind her. Out.
He was
What's up? No, he wasn't. Don't say that.
Shut up. There he is. Gotcha. Oh, we finally got a crazy-headed bird.
It's torture.
We've been got these birds when y'all were gone.
When I call you, you come see what I want.
Kind of like,
Look at him trying to bite that thing off.
he trying to get it open. He gonna tear it open.
No, that one on the roof. On the roof thing. Top. He's trying to take it off.
That's your bird.
So
The one
Grandma,
beside his neck is grandma bird.
Grandma, you torturing your own bird.
Step back. Move back. You're in my way. When I call you, you come see what I want.
Drink it back.
Now Grandma's going back to the...
Say goodbye, birdies.
Goodbye, birdies.
All of them over there.
Yep.
They all in the cage.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have fun? Just back in there. Might as well run the tape out.
A Yana bird is the one with the black and white
How much
head.
time I got?
And grandma got the white head.
I can do that.
Find your next escape, huh? I got him. They're flattened.
Your position, where's the master, baby? Baby, don't get funny, cry. I gotta teach my bird how to be nice and disrespect me.
Mine was so nice. You got my shoulder, my head, my finger, and my skirt, my lip.
All the colors. You want to play on maid, Mama? Sure. You want to play on maid?
Here, Nick, you come and hold it. I'm trying to use all this tape up in here.
I'm the video holder. I mean, get the game ready.
Come on, y'all gotta come in the big cage.
Let me get my ready.
They always gotta be resistant. You know, I can take you back to the
No!
store. Been here 2 days. You should be.
We're getting along very good. You can get rid of all the other birds, but not Amber.
Or me. Mine is very good. Mine listens.
Okay. Who wants to be first?
Let me get the bird by myself, please.
You guys gotta learn, man. Come on.
Come here, Amber.
Come on, bro.
Can I put him in? Her.
I want you to go over to this cage, Amber. Neat. Hey, Greedy. Come here. I want you to go to the other cage now. Okay? You had enough.
Amber.
Okay?
Close up.
Amber, go.
You gonna keep on
I'm
eating.
going first.
Mm-hmm. Neek, Neek. Smile. You're on candid camera. Ta-da!
Don't y'all start that. Oh, here we go. Good girl, Nick. No, y'all ain't about to fly. Get your butt back in there. You wouldn't get out when I told you. No. 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 Turn it. Oh, freaking digger.
Amber's the only one that didn't come out.
Oh, God. Come back in the cage.
She's stuck. She's like, guys, help me.
Come back in the cage.
Hey, man, get off the camcorder.
Come back in the cage. Come back in the cage.
Nick, come here.
These down here. Let me do it. Let me do
Good girl.
it. These are my cards.
There you go. Come here. I want to get a close-up.
Come here.
Baby. Ooh, sorry. But he's trying to talk.
Nick, you got a videotape. You can't hold them on the videotape. Too.
Oh. Well, then I'm going to have to do that. Oh,
She's
no.
telling him to hold him, help her. She said, they're like, help me, man. Let me see these birds up here.
Oh, shoot.
Hurry up, Amber. Unless you don't want to get out.
Don't go in the order. Don't like this. I am. I got the oil in here.
Nick, you ain't gotta get that close.
Just see what else though.
If you got the old man, you lost. I got all
Come down, children.
I got her. Ha, ha.
They whispered to Amber because she didn't know what's going on. She was stuck in the cave.
Here, let's just do this for me. Tiny minute. Shit.
Nathan! Come on, baby.
Oh, astronaut?
You a good girl, right? You're my pirate bird.
You gotta,
Amber,
I'll
Yana,
check that out.
look.
Some?
Nick,
She gonna get videos.
come here.
Wanna get on her chest like us?
Amber, here. You gotta hold this. Let's see.
She always fly right here
We
to me.
don't see if we can get him to go from shoulder to shoulder.
Nick, get out the way.
This is the...
No, what are you looking at?
Oh.
What was you looking at?
We're teaching you, baby. You ain't gonna get...
If they keep whistling, they're gonna get ready to fly. They're gonna make a fly whistle call.
Like, what are you typing?
Amber.
Come on.
Hold on. Why is he eating her butt?
Cleaning each other. Come on, children.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all know what this is.
Net.
You know what this means. Come on. Amber, is that you? Oh,
Yeah.
these two. Y'all hard hit.
Watch out. Oh, shoot.
Neek, you know better. You know you're gonna get a whooping.
Let me see your tape gonna run out. Come on, step out. Give it to Nick, China.
Mariana?
And then you
What are
know.
we playing? Goldfish? Yep, 1, 2, 3. Which one's mine?
As you can see, Grandma is now catching a bird.
Go mine!
Not really, but I can if I want to. I want to get ready to close this.
Let's get 7.
Okay. Right now they're plotting.
So, how much you got?
That's my bird.
6.
Come on, baby.
Yana, did you suffer real good?
Amber, come on.
I suffered 5 times.
She like it in there.
That's your.
These are the obedient ones.
As you can see.
Man, we ain't even get to
The other two are just from outer space.
Look at them talk.
What are we playing, Amber?
What y'all going here? Pee?
Oh, I remember that game.
First they go out the door. They're so doggone smart.
But the door is closed.
Over here. Is this one closed?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
you closed it. You should have
Me
opened
and
it.
Diana used to play.
See how smart these kids are. Flying bird on the loose.
Come here.
This time I hope that she's gonna get 10.
Don't play with me. Hey, where that bird go? You gonna get stuck up there. Where he at?
They up in there. He was hiding. Flying birds on the loose again.
Come
We
here.
got 10.
Let's see what these two are up to. I want to see.
Y'all getting a whooping. I'm not gonna let you out. You gotta learn how to bind.
1, 2, 1.
Got you, don't.
Oh, mine don't hurt it.
Yep, I got you already.
It ain't gonna come out anyway.
I know, I already got
It
him.
will come out.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Go in the ring. Alright, fat self is
Okay.
stuck. I
You
think he's
have a
stuck.
pirate. Wait.
Where's it gonna die? Look,
You
you can
have
stuck.
I don't get a shot of it.
You need a little help, Nick.
have a grocer. Look, do you have a baker? Do you have a carpenter?
Say uncle.
No.
Say uncle.
Do you have
Say
a
uncle.
recliner?
Say uncle.
Do you have a cook?
Now what? Now what? No, sir.
Do you have a witch?
Grandma is torturing them.
Say uncle.
Do you have an astronaut?
They can't
Do you
say
have an
uncle.
artist?
Put your little behind it.
Two lovebirds
Go.
and two smart birds.
Do you have a grocer? No, do you have a rock star? Do you have a old maid? Ooh, I won.
Let's work with the smart birds. Make them video. Let's teach
You
them.
have an old maid. I didn't have that.
You
I had
too.
the first thing when we started. I just had
We'll deal with you later.
When I was like looking at it. When you said, do you have a witch? That was when I had it. Kyla, why are you gonna look at her hair? It's gonna get nasty.
The video had went black and then it came right back on.
Well, that battery is really not finished.
Now it's your turn. I want.
Don't close it all the way.
Amber, help me with it. Move. Watch out. You know what we're playing? Match. Yep. Now let's get you going. 2, 3. See, 7 across. 5 right there. 1, 2, 3. 1. Hold on, let me do 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop moving on. Nice. It ain't gonna be able to sit the stop. You gave me a little bit. Give me some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I don't know, maybe because you started before me.
It don't say how many minutes left on that to it.
Mhm.
You just had to do that, right?
I'm putting it on the right way. On there. So it don't have to be upside down. I don't know what Amber was doing.
Whatever.
Why would you put it upside down? That's what I
I
would
ain't put nothing upside down.
do. That
Oh,
fake
yeah.
bird. Oh, yeah, that.
I'm going.
Okay, Nick's coming out.
No, this smells like my good one.
Come on, Nick.
That's good.
You're going to be our filmmaker. You finally thirsty? You must be cold. These are the lovebirds. Well, they're not really lovebirds, but these two are the ones that are always kissing.
Come on.
And this is one of the dumbest ones. Sorry, but
All right, don't call me dumb. Get
okay,
the burn.
not dumb, but you know,
Here we go. Come on.
on the
Come on.
other side.
Ooh, you got a slob on your mouth.
That's
Oh.
ain't that water?
Amber. Come here.
These two are smart in their own way. Let's just say that.
No.
They try to fit themselves through here. As you can see. Through these.
Let's look at them top.
I gotta know what the stuff is.
These mouths for a mile a minute. What y'all talking about?
I had an artist in
What's that on your bird nose? Could you get it off and look kind of gross?
Which bird?
Your bird.
Come here. Stop. Don't move.
I can do it.
Let me get that off. Can I get that off? You got food all over you. And on your
I
eye.
want a cracker. Give me a kiss.
There you go. There you go. Get off.
Hold this. We gotta take these two.
Let's just name them real quick. Nikki.
Come back, you ain't gotta get that close.
The white one over there, Amber. This one right here, going crazy, is Ayana. And this one is Oliver.
I'm trying to get you to
Oh.
tape them. Step back. Kiss and cousin.
Yeah, I'm scared of that old man.
The bad ones can't get out without punishment.
The ones that work hard is true. This is a tree. So,
This is one day's training.
Let's see, I'm pirate, icon, whatever one you find.
can you guys smile? Come here, Amber. This is Amber. It's your turn.
It's my turn, hold it.
Yes.
Amber, you won.
My hand is hurting. Now be right careful.
I want Amber to let her bird sit on it.
Look straight at them birds.
Amber.
Now let's see, we're gonna try exercise. What would you all like to do? You like music? You wanna dance? Okay, let's see if these birds dance.
What you want me to put on?
Put on the radio, put on some bumpity music. Let's see if the birds dance.
Okay.
Dance, y'all.
Keep on this. Let's try to get the beat.
This ain't the peak, this is nasty.
Yes.
Nick, hold the camera. I want Amber to try something.
Nick. Hold on, wait.
I want to get a bird.
Yeah, okay, what are we gonna do?
Grandma, can I get a bird?
Wait, if I go over there, would I be going over there?
Those birds are too hard here.
Grandma, can I get a bird? Are you scared?
What would you like to say?
Can I get a bird?
Put the bird in me.
Looking at yourself in the mirror, you're missing it. Get him, you're looking at yourself in the mirror, Nick.
As you can see,
Fighting over the mirror, vain bird.
why don't you go to the other side? I mean, you got about like 60 mirrors. As you can see, Neek is looking at himself in the mirror.
They're gonna be mad because they can't get out. That's what y'all get, y'all. She's hard-headed.
Amber,
You'll learn how to manage.
They play tag.
Okay, Amber, I want you to call the bird.
As As you see, we
What
have
we got?
some mad birds right here.
I just want one trainer and one person right now. Just one person at a time. Amber, call Nick Nick. Tell him to come to you.
Nick.
Snap your fingers when you do it. Here, come. Say pronto. Come here, pronto. That's something that I taught myself.
Nick. Briato.
Got some mad birds over
Chief
here.
Jazz B98.7, the best music for your workday. On the piano, Brian Culbertson. Get It On. He's the keyboardist of the year for 2002. Before that, Dave Costa on the sax. Love is on the way. Here's all the notes. Sarah Smile on Smooth Jazz B98.7.
Come on. Nick, come here.
I keep thinking she calling me.
Nicky. Musical stick.
I can feel you watching in the night. All
Look at yourself in the mirror.
we're waiting for the sunlight. When I feel cold, you warm me. And when I feel I can't go on, you come and hold me. It's you and me, wherever I stand.
It's too slow.
Hold your smile.
You can leave it up.
Okay, turn it off.
Come here, girl.
Come here, sweetheart. You was doing just fine. Listen, you bad wild animals.
Stop, Amber.
Come on, Nick.
He's stuck.
You ain't stuck.
Amber.